Now that you've designed for your nice hero, it's time to take that empathy and that design thinking out into the real world. Now, when we're in the real world, we don't often ask people what they want. As Henry Ford used to say, if I asked people what they wanted, they would have said faster horses. Instead, what we want to think about is how can we observe the needs of the people around us so that we can solve their problems. Now, we can observe what they're doing in the real world. We can observe how they're doing it. And then, crucially, we can try to understand why they're doing it. So that explicit need of a person is the what. What are they doing, right? So they're holding a cup of coffee, as we'll see in this picture here. How is this person holding the cup of coffee? What does it show you about the cup of coffee? As we look at and observe at how this person is handling the cup of coffee, you can learn a lot about how to improve the product, right? How could we make this cup less hot so he could actually hold it in the middle of the cup? But we can also take it to the next step, that more implicit need, like why does this person need coffee in the morning? Maybe he's looking for a way to wake up, a way to feel energized. And maybe making the cup of coffee easier to hold isn't the solution. Maybe the solution is just a different way to get him excited in the morning, get him energized, right? Maybe it's teaching him how to do stretches or yoga or something else, right? So we can start to identify both explicit and implicit needs. By doing that, we're building our empathy, our ability to think about the feelings, the thoughts, the attitudes of people around us. So let's take another example. Let's take a look at this person at the airport. Now, if you've ever flown on an airplane or been in an airport, you maybe have seen someone like this. Just by looking at how he's sitting and where he's at, try to guess, what is he trying to do? Most likely, as you look at it, you can see that he's looking for power, right? He's sitting in the corner of the airport, has his computer on his lap precariously trying to work because he probably needs to plug in somewhere. So that's one need that he has, that explicit need to find power. But it also leads us to question why. Why is he doing this? Why is he charging his computer now? Maybe it's because the computer doesn't hold a charge, right? Maybe because he doesn't have something more mobile friendly. And so we can start to imagine other solutions to this problem that get to the more implicit needs. So we want to take this into action now with a video. We're going to have you watch this video with Erica and listen to what she says about her experience going to an auto mechanic and try to understand the what, the how, and the why of why she's going there and her hesitation sometimes in doing so.